Today we explore the top pins on Pinterest to give you ideas on what you could be selling on Shopify to make your first 100 grand. These product pins are crazy popular and also they are evergreen, meaning they're in high demand all year around. So all you have to do is take these ideas and start selling them, baby. We're gonna go from the easiest one to the absolutely hottest product pin. So let's go.
Great. Sylvia, this list is a little bit crazy, I have to say.
It's not.
A little bit cuckoo, but let's go through it. So first up is number 5.
Number 5.
Girls' outfits.
Yeah, girls' outfits ideas. It's what the heck, but essentially think about the casual look. The Emma Chamberlain young girls casual look is back.
We're talking about girls under the age of like 20, right?
Under the age of 20.
The fashion that they wear.
It's crazy dominated by like teenagers between, I would say, 14 to 18. And think one of the biggest products out there is like the oversized sweater. I was like, what? So oversized sweater is back. Tracksuit pants are back.
Things that were considered daggy just a few years ago.
Things that are considered daggy. Some of those are the short tartan skirts as well, big scarves, big hats, all of that. So you've got any of those products, just go for gold. Time to sell them.
Yeah.
The only thing you want to be mindful of is your avatar. Okay, you really want to target those young girls because if you're thinking to selling to an older avatar, this is not going to work. So
yeah,
for this specific trend that's going nuts on avatar for the oversized sweater, it's really the teenage girls that you're after.
Yes, and part of that is then modeling the products as well, like the model that shows the product in use.
It has to be the young girl.
You can't show like
anybody over 20.
Yeah.
So don't show anybody looking like us.
Great.
All right, the next crazy trending pin on Pinterest, and I was like, guys, the pin that is like the top pin that gets hundreds of thousands of clicks per month goes to one of the shittiest dropshipping websites that I've ever seen.
It even said sample product.
Sample product. Even it's not even completed, and it's like trending like crazy. And that's because people are searching on Pinterest for cool sunglasses.
Cool sunglasses.
And guys, people want to be cool. Like nobody says, oh, I want to look nerdy, or I want to look daggy, or I want to look whatever.
Who doesn't want to look cool?
Who doesn't want to look cool?
When I wanted to look cool.
Yeah, I want to look cool too.
Yeah.
That's why we've got cool t-shirts.
That's why we've got cool t-shirts. That's why we've got a cool logo. That's why we've got a cool cushion and a cool couch.
Yes. Yeah? So hardly ever anybody just has one pair of sunglasses. They're lightweight, they are a high margin, high demand.
Yes.
And so the top pin goes to a specific fashion thing, and it's cat eye sunglasses.
Like a meow cat. Like
meow meow.
Kitty.
So you've got cat eye sunglasses, go for gold. Beautiful.
Amazing. I love it.
Another top pin on Pinterest that is getting huge search volumes, and it's going to another dropshipping store, which I was surprised, but this one is actually really well put together and really well optimized for search, is, guys, wallpaper ideas.
Wallpaper ideas.
Wallpaper ideas. And I totally get it, because we are right now in times where people are doing it tough and they don't have all of this money to splurge around.
Yeah, or hire contractors or experts or people to come in and do stuff.
And so they want to revamp their home
on a budget.
On a budget, just themselves, just over the weekend. Wallpaper, what a brilliant, fantastic idea.
Yeah.
And out of all of these wallpapers, there is one specific product that's trending, and it's a Japanese themed wallpaper sold by square meters. So really, it's just like you pay $80 for a piece of paper, high margin.
Yeah.
You want to sell wallpaper, like go and explore the look and feel of this on Pinterest, because it's like nuts.
Yeah, amazing.
Amazing. Next crazy trending pin on Pinterest, product pin, and I just could not believe this, is inside wedding decor. Inside wedding decor, what is actually the most trending product, where, and this is like super hot, where the wedding arch backdrops.
Wedding arch backdrop. What?
I'm like, what? I didn't even know
that was a product?
that there was a product.
Did we have a wedding arch backdrop at our wedding?
I think we did, because we got married at the beach in Thailand. But we had a wedding planner and she organized these things.
And it was at a hotel, so on the beach.
I was like, I was not like, I didn't even know that we could like change the theme of the look and feel, but clearly I wasn't like a bridezilla. Or I was, but maybe in other things. Actually, maybe yes.
Yeah.
Whoopsie.
Anyway, off topic.
Off topic.
Wedding arch backdrop.
But it's really trending. And this is, guys, in the US.
It's evergreen. People are always getting married.
It's evergreen. And the top...
Sometimes multiple times.
But the top thing is, it's light pink backdrop.
Mm-hmm.
So essentially, we're talking about a piece of cloth that you can buy in any fabric store on 2 poles. $85. Thank you very much. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, I suspect the weight of this whole product would be under 2 kilos, so it really fits nicely into the
one pound.
fast-moving consumer products.
I love it.
Amazing, like high margin.
Amazing.
Go for gold, go for gold. And the volumes this website is getting are huge, and it really is a drop shipping store. Like, you go into the About Us page, and
there's not much there.
It's not much there.
That's a good way of putting
it.
Yeah.
And connected to this, an absolute winner in trending evergreen ideas on Pinterest, and the top pin, you're not gonna believe the volume that's getting all of this. Number 1 is
wedding dresses.
Wedding dresses. Now, what I love about this is the order value. The average order value is going to be huge. Now, this specific product that's getting the top pin, the top attention, is costing about 230 USD. Now, 200 USD in e-commerce.
It's also interesting though, because in the past, like, people would spend thousands on this stuff, right? So
that's what I'm trying to say. And people are still spending thousands on that.
Yeah.
You know, people are still dropping $5,000 USD for a wedding dress, and then they want to have 2. You know, one before and one after, and I'm like, what? And $5,000 is for one that you're gonna wear for like 3 hours. But clearly, I have other priorities. I mean, we prefer to travel rather than spend money on that stuff, I guess. So, you know, each to their own, no judgment. But because of that, the order value of these pins that you can find on Pinterest of these products is giant, because it's still just a dress that's made, you know, probably production value $40 max, and the average order value is like, you can easily sell it for $250, $300, $400. Like, even if you put it for $500-$600,
it's gonna be super value, high value. I don't want to say cheap, but high value.
Yeah,
right?
like a bride is gonna spend that. Thinking, oh, I'll risk it for $300-$400. I can risk it because otherwise I have to pay $4,000. So the most popular pin in this category is what's called a V-neck long princessy dress with pink florals. This is like, I'm trying to describe.
Search term, or?
It's not the exact search term. It's not what it says on their website, but it's kind of like the easiest way to describe it. It's like a V-neck princessy thing, which got, you know, pink things. And then you get to the website that's getting all this traffic. And guess what? This dress, of course, dropshipping website, but that's not even nothing. But this product, guys, has only one picture. I mean, for real, you are a top pin on Pinterest, which means people are saving, clicking, liking this pin like crazy, and you get all this traffic, and you don't even put in the effort to put 2 pictures. I mean, it's got like you can buy it in like 6 different colors, but it's got picture only of one color, and there is not like front or back or side or close up. It's just the front picture, and that's it.
So it's been like a quick rush job, I'd say.
And crazy high margin, but still it's a top pin. So anything you can do better, and I honestly think any of you guys can do better, that's a golden opportunity right there.
Wow, crazy high margin, wow.
Wow.